Hello everyone! Today's lesson is about adjectives, adverbs, and comparison. This lesson is good, but long. Good and long are both adjectives. Take a look at this list of adjectives and their opposites. Tall, short, old, young, big, small, happy, sad. Adjectives can be placed before the noun. I have a small kitten. Or after the noun. This car is fast. Nationality adjectives always start with a capital letter. American. I am Australian. Now adverbs. To form adverbs, we add ly at the end of adjectives. Slow, slowly. Careful, carefully. Adjectives ending with y turn into ily. Happy, happily. I drive my car slowly. Now let's jump to comparatives. We use them to compare an object to another, or a person to another. There are comparatives of equality. As plus adjective plus as. This teacher is as nice as my father. Short adjectives plus er plus than. John is taller than Peter. It means that Peter is short compared to John, right? More plus long adjectives plus than. My handwriting is more beautiful than your handwriting. We double the last letter in adjectives like big and fat. Big, bigger. Fat, fatter. The y in adjectives like happy and dirty turn into ier. Happy, happier. And dirty, dirtier. There are also irregular adjectives which completely change. Good, better. Bad, worse. And you have to learn them by heart. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!